To use QuickBooks to file taxes, start by ensuring your company file is up to date and accurate. This includes verifying all financial transactions, accounts, and reports are current and correct. Next, navigate to the Taxes section within QuickBooks, where you will find various tax-related tools and features. The first step is to prepare your tax return by gathering all necessary documents and information, such as W-2s, 1099s, and other relevant tax forms. QuickBooks allows you to import this data directly into the system, streamlining the process and reducing errors. Once your data is imported, use QuickBooks to categorize and organize your income and expenses, ensuring everything is properly accounted for and reported. The system provides pre-built tax categories and schedules to help with this process. After organizing your data, run the tax summary report to review your tax liability and ensure everything is accurate. This report provides a detailed breakdown of your income, deductions, and credits, allowing you to identify any discrepancies or areas for optimization. With your tax summary in hand, proceed to prepare your tax return using QuickBooks. The system guides you through the process, prompting you to enter additional information as needed. Be sure to take advantage of QuickBooks tax deduction and credit tools, which help you maximize your savings and minimize your tax liability. When your tax return is complete, review it carefully to ensure accuracy and completeness. QuickBooks provides a built-in review process to help you catch any errors or omissions. Once you are satisfied with your return, you can electronically file it with the IRS directly from QuickBooks. Throughout the tax filing process, it is essential to maintain accurate and detailed records. QuickBooks provides a secure and organized way to store your tax documents and supporting materials, making it easy to access and reference them as needed. By following these steps and leveraging QuickBooks tax tools and features, you can efficiently and effectively file your taxes, ensuring compliance with tax laws and regulations. Remember to always consult with a tax professional if you are unsure about any aspect of the tax filing process.